delay. I'm actually trying to make sure everything I do is actually in the camera, you know. Okay, this is one screw, and also make sure you have a container or something to put your screws in and don't lose them, and make sure for the love of God the container doesn't drop, because if you drop it you're gonna have fun trying to find screws, that's for sure. Okay, seems like it's pretty easy to take this apart, and then on top of that I see something already that I don't like, and they used push pins to hold this crap in right here. So if you look right in there, they used a push pin, and I do not like push pins. I think they're retarded, they're slacking. So I'm just gonna see if I can take this right off with just doing these screws right here, but we'll see, because I have a feeling it's going to be attached to the cooler too. So yeah, let's see if I can. I think I have to undo this too, this screw right here. It's not coming undone, so we'll see if I have another screw. Take that out. There we go. That's a longer screw. Usually these are pretty short. Alright, I'm going to put that at the top. So these screws right here. So let me go ahead and take those apart. And these are spring loaded. So make sure you have a well, wait a minute, I think I saw a little nut. They have a nut in here that holds it too, and the screwdriver that I was using just dropped. So let's see if I can do undo all four of these and this just pop out, hopefully. So hopefully it just comes out like this, but the other one didn't. So okay, we have that done. Now let's see if it will come apart. Voila, there you go. Came apart that easy. Alright, next up is taking nails for this one, but generally you just have to lift up on it. So with your nail and or flathead screwdriver, just lift up and it'll pop right out generally. And here you go. Here is the GTX 670, and if you notice,